What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing fine. Yes, little Nisi Poo is right here next to me, and I'm back at it again with a taster. Yes, I am, guys. Today, I'm doing a solo taster because the missus is not up yet, and I have been feeding to try this daggone cereal out. Sorry, guys, it's a little chilly in our house, and we dropped down the heat, and it is chilly in here. Um, we're supposed to be having like a winter hit of snow, so we're actually in warning for blizzard for about an hour. But who knows? But other than that, guys, back to the taster. Um, Today we will be tasting Fruit Loops marshmallows. Yes. Um, they added some marshmallows in here. I've never had this before, guys. If you have, I'll give you guys a round of applause on this because it's telling me some very interesting stuff. This kind of reminds me of what do you call it? That one little cereal, the Cheerios with marshmallows. That's exactly what it reminds me of. So let's get in with this. Um, December 9th, 2022. Oh, no. Only a year for this. By December, it would be no good. Interesting. Um, I'm satisfied with this. The other one had more stuff in it than this one. I'm not even going to read the box. Not even worth reading the box. Let's just get in because I'm hungry. Ooh. Oh, wow. Guys, they're a lot smaller than what they used to be. They Fruit Loops. Remember the Fruit Loops? They were a little bigger. I could have sworn they were a lot bigger. Could have sworn they was a lot bigger. Then you got the marshmallow. Ah, Lucky Charms. That's what it was. See, I couldn't even remember what it was. It was Lucky Charms, guys. They trying to make this like Lucky Charms. Okay, so it's small. I could have sworn the Fruit Loops were a little bigger than that. Could have sworn. Could have sworn they were a lot bigger. But I guess it's been a while since I had Fruit Loops. And yes, guys, I'm back at it again with my milk. Yes! Make sure you shake it! Shake it up! Yeah! This is some good milk. It's good. Um, I ain't gonna lie. I actually like this milk better than the regular milk. One thing I noticed about the regular milk, um, have you ever noticed stuff floating in your milks when you be eating it? Pay attention, guys. That's one thing I noticed about the other milk. I noticed that there was stuff floating inside the milk. It was like some white stuff floating inside the milk. That's why I stopped using that milk. And then Lifey said, try that. And that's why I tried it. My little silky. Yes. Here you go, guys. This is gonna be very interesting because it's like they're trying to make this into Lucky Charms. Let's go. Here's the fire trucks. Where's the fire trucks? Sometimes it's been like kind of off with the fire trucks. Now, back to the view. This, you got that right. It's just like Lucky Charms. Nothing really special about it, except for the marshmallows. The marshmallows taste really good with it. It's kind of nice, nice taste. It's very good. So all they did, they just added marshmallows to it. You taste the Fruit Loops, and it tastes like marshmallows. You might as well call this the next Lucky Charms. Okay, that's what I'm saying. You might as well call this the next Lucky Charms because that's what I'm getting from this. The next Lucky Charms. If you happen to be hearing my wife's phone going off, I don't know what's going on back there. But definitely the next Lucky Charms. Fruit Loops, not bad. It's really good. It's really, really good. Extremely good. What will my rating be? It's a 10. It's a 10 again. Yes, it is, guys. Your kids would love this. You probably would too, but who knows? It's a 10. I went and got it. It's the chat. That's what it is. Okay. So, yeah, it's really good. Extremely good. It's not as sweet as it used to be. It's like they lowered down the Fruit Loops taste just a bit because before the Fruit Loops used to be extremely strong and you used to taste the sweetness. By adding the marshmallow to it, it slowed down the sweetness. Yeah, it mellowed it out just a bit to a point. It's not as sweet as it used to be. Fruit Loops used to be like totally overpowered with the sweets. Now that I'm tasting it, it's not overpowered anymore thanks to the marshmallows. It's like the marshmallow is shining out the Fruit Loop, all that fruit. So a part the marshmallow is soaking it up. I like that. I like it. It's really good. It's really good. I'm loving it. It's really good. Wow. Sheesh. And I always thought I had coffee. That's a real one. I always thought I had coffee. And I was like, nah, you hungry. Make you something to eat. So I did. Doing the daggone freaking Fruit Loop box. Screw this crap. Wifey, I'm so sorry. But guess what? I beat you to the punch. That's good. Good stuff. I'm kind of happy we did get it. Because now, I don't have to worry about too much. We gotta eat, yes. We're hungry, yes. All that stuff, yes. But it's pretty good. It's good. I'm enjoying it. Every bite of it is perfect. It's fruity, not over fruity. The marshmallow melts just right in you. Just melts just right. Oh, I don't even want to talk about that. There's a lot going on with me. I can't even talk about that. I'm trying so hard to get past a lot of stuff. Guys, I have been overly stretched for a week. Don't know why. I'm lying. I know why. Because nothing is working out the way I'm planning. But I'm just hoping everything gets better. But as I was saying, the cereal is really good. It's really good. I'm loving it. Mm, I'm loving it. So as for my review, this is 10. It's really good. It's not soggy. It's just right. The Fruit Loops is not overpowering the marshmallows. The marshmallows not overpowering the Fruit Loops. It's blending in just right. Um, and it's just not as sweet as it used to be. Good job, guys. Good job with the with the marshmallows. Just like Lucky Charms. Lucky Charms was sweet, extremely sweet. The marshmallow and the Lucky Charms together overpowered each other. It was fully overpowered, but it was very sweet, and I loved it. But it was a lot of sugar. How much sugar is in here? Where's the sugar? Where is the sugar? The sugar is basically 16 out of 25. Oh, it's not bad. 16 grams of sugar. And I think Lucky Charms had twice as much sugar compared to that. I think the wife is up because the phone keeps going off. Yeah, today is me and my wife's day. I'm going to be spending time with the missus and enjoying with her. We're going to be doing some live streaming together, playing some games together. Just need some time with my wife. You know, my wife sometimes. Sometimes you need to break from stuff to try and clear your mind, you know? And that's what I'm doing. As for Jessica, guys, she is doing good. She can hear now in her ear, but it's still so. She's still on oxygen and all that stuff. Yes, I'm still praying for you, Jessica. I'm going to keep praying for you until you get out of that hospital. And I hope you win that case on that hospital. And yes, the hospital's scared now because guess what? It was recorded. The surgery, the everything. Guess what, guys? Y'all screwed. So y'all better give them what they need. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys actually enjoyed this little taster. Um, I'll see you all later. Peace out.